Hello and welcome to our video on the potential health benefits of cloves for both men and women. Cloves, the dried unopened flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their medicinal properties. They are known for their strong aroma and warm, pungent taste, and are commonly used as a spice in cooking. But did you know that cloves may also have a variety of health benefits for both men and women? First and foremost, cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the body against damage from free radicals and reduce the risk of certain diseases. They also contain anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce pain and swelling in conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. In addition, cloves have been shown to have antibacterial properties, which can help to fight off harmful bacteria and prevent infections. Another benefit of cloves is that they are a great digestive aid. They have been used traditionally to aid in digestion and reduce gas and bloating. Cloves oil is also used in dental care as it can help to relieve toothaches, freshen breath, and kill germs in the mouth. Now let's talk about the potential benefits of cloves for sexual health. Cloves have traditionally been used as an aphrodisiac, meaning they may help to increase sexual desire and improve sexual function. They contain a compound called eugenol, which has been shown to improve blood circulation. Improved circulation may help to improve sexual function by increasing blood flow to the genitals. Cloves are also known to have a relaxing effect, which may help to reduce stress and improve sexual function by reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of well-being. It's worth noting that most of these potential benefits are based on traditional uses or preliminary studies. More research is needed to confirm the effectiveness of cloves for sexual health in humans. Moreover, cloves should be taken with care and in moderate quantity, as excessive intake can lead to toxicity and other side effects. Overall, cloves are a versatile and flavorful spice that can add a lot of health benefits to your diet. Try incorporating cloves into your cooking, or consider taking them as supplements. But always remember to consult with your doctor before adding any new supplement to your diet. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions or ideas for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below.